Hello, and welcome to episode 3 in our WRX interior refresh series. In this session of Zoico Garage, we're going to look at replacing the stock display hood with the red stitched leather JDM display hood. Also, in the process of shooting this video, I'm going to take care of two other items that have really kind of bothered me with the interior of the car. Not to mention, I'm going to take care of this broken louver. And had installed the Android head unit, that 10-inch unit touchscreen, and in the process of swapping out the vents, I broke this one. So I'm going to take care of that. This is apart. First thing we're going to do is remove this piece. Speaking of that, it's not too hard to do. Get your panel tool, pry tools. There's a little lip right here. I just want to work that in there while pulling towards you. There we go. So we got started right on the edge. There's popped up. We're going to move over on this side. There we go. Pull that out. Now there's going to be two wiring harnesses attached to the back side. We've already actually undid this one. So you want to remember gray on the bottom, the white one on the top. It's easier if you flip it over. Now I'll get you to the side of the clip. Push and pull. And we're going to set this aside and we'll take care of this louver in another video. Next step, we're going to remove this cover right here. You'll notice there's some sort of fiber tape right here. That's where the clips are. So you want to take a skinny screwdriver and kind of put that screwdriver right where the clip's at, right where the tape is. Lift up, take some sort of pliers, using wire strippers, try and pull, and that will pop out. Next step, there's going to be two screws, Phillips, that will hold the hood in place. We'll remove those. Trying not to lose them. It's got clips in the back, and it also has a wiring harness attached to it. I've already unclipped it. It's the same as these. Just roll it over and you can unclip the back. And on the back side, you've got two screws here that will release the display module or display unit. And at this point, the display unit will be removed from the hood. Now at this point, you may want to do the passenger airbag warning light delete. I shot a short video about it, but while you have this apart, you might want to take care of that. It really annoyed me. Anyhow, let's carry on. So while we have this open, we're going to take the opportunity to clean in here. Put this down. So here we have our new hood ready to install. First thing we're going to do, we're going to reattach the display. Going to do that off camera for a sec. Okay, so we're using the OE screws. We've put them back. Now we're going to reattach this wiring harness. In. Now there's clips in the back. Set that in there. Push it down. Grab your OE Phillips screws. And get ready to attach the bottom plate. And while we have this piece out, we're going to wipe it down. Basically, you got 3 points. You're going to slide it back in, and you want to try to again push it into these clamps here, these slots. You'll hear it click in, and that's that. Now, put your vent unit back. You'll reattach the white to the top, the gray to the bottom. Clip those back in. Line up the tabs, snap and push. And alright, it was that easy. We installed the red stitch leather JDM display hood. We also, while we have this all apart, did the passenger side airbag warning light delete. You can catch that in a separate video. Yeah, that looks slick. And with that, we'll conclude this session of Zoico Garage, episode 3 of our WRX interior refresh series. Thanks for watching.